In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WP Engine effectively for your website needs. So whether you're a seasoned webmaster or new to the world of WordPress hosting, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into the steps and make this a smooth journey. First, you'll need to head over to a WP Engine's website, go to your preferred browser and type in mywwpengine.com, then log in with your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you might want to hit pause here and get started on that. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by the WP Engine dashboard. Here, let's move on to creating your first site. You'll notice an option that says Add Site. Click that and select Create a New Site. At this point, you'll be entering the name of your site and choosing the environment where this site will live. Let's pick Production for now. After your site is set up, accessing it is next. To proceed, click on your environment and then WP Admin to open up the WordPress dashboard. It's here that the fun begins, as you can start designing your website. Use the various themes and plugins to bring your vision to life. Managing your site is crucial. Navigate back to the WP Engine dashboard, where you'll find several options. You can view backups if you want to revert to a previous version, or access SFTP for more advanced file management. It's also important to manage domains efficiently and ensure your site is secure by enabling SSL. Now, if you want to make your site live, head over to the Go Live section. Add your custom domain, which will make your website more recognizable and professional. Don't forget to point your DNS records to WP Engine so that your domain leads visitors to your shiny new site. You're almost there. Once you've reviewed everything, click Launch to make your website live. The final step ensures all your work becomes visible to the world, and your site is ready to receive visitors. If you're using the WP Travel Engine plugin, integrating it into WP Engine is straightforward. Just head back to the WP Engine dashboard and follow through to install and activate any necessary plugins. Moreover, if you're interested in targeting content to different regions, you can enable the GeoTarget add-on. Go to Add-ons and select GeoTarget. It's worth noting that this is a paid feature, but it could be valuable depending on your audience's needs. Once activated, you can install the WP Engine GeoTarget plugin in your WordPress dashboard. Create location-based content to tailor your offerings to users from specific areas. Finally, ensure all changes are saved, and don't forget to test your site to confirm it's displaying the right content for your regions by using a VPN or proxy. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Enjoy building and optimizing your website with the WP Engine, and don't hesitate to revisit any of these steps as needed. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!